Alright, I'm also going to give out these. So there is now going to be 2 cards that are the same, okay?
Sci-fi. Who likes sci-fi here? Sci-fi? What is an example of a sci-fi? What is that? Hat? I'm a hat. Oh. Star Wars. What else? Star Trek. You do like Star Trek. Harry Potter. Fantastic Beasts.
Socks. Who has socks? Shoes. Good. Sweater. It's got sweater. Raise it really high so you can see. Good.
Come on. Yes. It again?
I got 2.
You got 2. On the board, please. Show us. Anyone else? Wants to try? Yes.
I didn't know if I do wrong or something.
I got 22.
Well, that's how we find out. Guys, if you don't try,
I do like
we'll never know if it's right or wrong. Always try. It's okay to be wrong here, then you be wrong outside.
I do wrong.
Are you sure?
I do wrong.
Total 60. 60 you have.
I 16. I move here.
What does a superhero do though? Save people. Who was the superhero in our story? Guitar? I have a cut. Very good. Okay, Team Super Birdie. Token? Token was extra speedy. There you are. There's only 4 left. Stomachache. Very good.
8 is made of. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay. Compost. Right. Compost. Good. Spell it. Compost. Good.
Yeah, that's too many pumps there. It's like 3 M's together.